So guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. In this video guys, I would like to share with you guys a new benefit from SuperEx. As you know that in this channel, I always bring to you different means to earn and to make money from exchanges. And SuperEx is one of my favorite crypto exchange that I use because it gives a lot of benefit to its subscribers. And this particular one is also included, which is not too late, guys. You can still join it. New to SuperEx, time to cash in. You share from 30,000 USDT price pool. All you have to do, guys, is one, invite friend. Both of you get 3 USDT, no limit. So the number of friends you invited to this platform, the number of USDT you earn on this platform, this is a very good one. Then your first spot trading up to 50 USDT. If you're able to trade first trade, guys, on spots, you're going to enjoy up to 50 USDT. Then if you trade as well on future trading, you're going to enjoy up to 50 USDT. This is a very good benefit from SuperEx and it's time limit. So if you have not subscribed to SuperEx, it's not too late, guys. You can still join SuperEx and start enjoying from this platform time to time, and a lot of crypto is listed on this platform every now and then. Now click on the link in the video description. It's also in our Telegram channel. So it brings to this interface. All you have to do is very simple, guys. You take a look at this website. The crypto interface is very good, and their mobile apps is very good as well. It's available on iOS, it's also available on Android device. So you can lay your hand and pick from each of these devices and create your account. So click on register button. Once you click on the register button, guys, it comes up like this. Then provide your email address here, try SuperEx, then follow the screen process and create your account. Then you can download the app from Android for Android as well as iOS devices. So now that I've created your account, it comes up like this. Now you need to log into your account, and I've logged into my account using my laptop. You can see the interface is cool and it's of a very good one. So the first you have to do, guys, is to deposit your USDT into this platform, and doing so is very simple. You come to the wallet here, then you go to the main account. All this is what you access. Then you can as well click on overview to see the overview of how it goes on this platform. So once you click on that overview, it comes up like this. You can see you have a lot of information here. You have so many things that you can use here. So the first thing is to deposit your USDT on this platform. Come over and click on this over your wallet, your mouse here, then click on main market. Once you click on main market, it comes up like this. Now you have access to this interface. Then click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, it comes up like this. Then you can deposit your assets, your crypto, your BNB, your USDT and others into this platform. So if you want to deposit your crypto, just click on deposit button here. So here we are depositing USDT to this platform. Click on this deposit button here. So once you've done that, it comes up like this. Then the next, you have to select your network. Click on this drop down arrow. Then you have so many network here. You have a lot of them here. Select any of these that suits you and get your wallet address. Then send your USDT to this platform. After a few seconds, guys, you have your USDT straight to your account. The next thing is to come to this place and trade. Here you have to trade spot trading. Spot trading on SuperEx is similar to any other trading platform. On exchange is very simple, just like any other thing. That is why you need to watch this video to the end. Now here we use BTC as a case study. You can see you have BTC USDT here. Here you select your pairs. Just over your mouse here, you have a lot of pairs that you can play or you can pick from this platform. So I will use ET from this example. That is the native token of SuperEx. You click on that. So once you click on that, or you click on any of the token or token you want to trade, it comes up like this. Now you allow this page to load up. Then you have access to the current price of ET, which is what you see here, guys, $3.75. And the price here, you have this chart. Then you can navigate yourself on this chart. Don't forget that you need to understand something here before you trade. You can take a look at this chart to see what is happening in the last 15 minutes. You can see what has happened in the last 1 minute as well. Just click on it and wait for it to load up. Then you can use this site, guys, to analyze the market. You can see a lot of things here that you can pick and analyze the market. So you can see this will guide you to see what is here, and you can use all these to analyze the market. You can see, you can take a look at what has happened to the market in the last 24 hours, thereby guiding you on what to do. Now, the benefit of spot trading is that you buy when the market is, when the price is low, and you sell when the price is high. So once you carry out your analysis and you decided to buy, then you come to this place where you see buying, then you provide your UXT into this place, then the amount of ET token you get comes up here, then you click on buy button or buy ETH or ET, guys. It comes up like this. And if you want to buy from the limit as well, here you set your price and you click on buy, and it get it straight to your wallet. Now that is the simple process, guys, on how to trade on this platform using the spot trading system. As well, you can as well over your mouse and click on future trading. Future trading is also a means of trading on exchanges, which Super ES also offer, by predicting the market very well and start earning from this market. The joy of future trading is that you earn at goals, provided you are able to predict the market very well. Currently, guys, the BTC price is pumping 94,000 plus right away. Now you predict that the price of this token will keep going down, then you stake your UXT, you earn from the process. But the joy of it is that with as low as 10 USDT, you can start trading from this platform. But before you do that, guys, there's something you need to know about this trading system. The first thing is here, you need to select your trading pairs, which I've covered so many times on this platform. I believe you've done that. The next thing is to come back to this place, guys, and use this statistics button. You can see what has happened to the market in a couple of days, couple of weeks, even in hours, to know what is going on this place. Now that you've done that, the next thing is to come to this place. This is very simple. This isolated button. Here we have three major important things. We have the cross, we have the isolated, as well you have the split. But guys, I will talk on cross and isolated. When you trade on cross margin, is highly risky, and it says that cross margin or cross possible under the same margin assets share the same asset cross margin balance. In the event of liquidation, your asset full margin balance along with any remaining open position under asset may be fortified. This is a very risky statement, guys. So I will not encourage any of my traders or my followers to use these steps because it's highly risky, but I will encourage you to choose isolated. Under here, guys, a specified amount you are assigned to trade will be dealt with, and if the market is not in your favor, so you'll be liquidated, and other assets in your account is sealed. So I always confirm this and make sure that you have isolated here. Then here, leverage. Sometimes it is always good to trade between the 3 to 5x. Yes, that is my recommendation, guys. Always trade between 3 to 5x, and it gives you some benefit. So what that means that if you are trading with 100 USDT, the system will trade with 500 UXDT, and your commission will go on that line as well. If you are losing, you're losing, or it goes on that line. Make sure you trade the leverage of between 3 and 5 UXDT. Now here you can decide to buy and sell. So this is what I've been explaining on this channel, mainly when I use SuperEx to guide you guys. So it also goes for this. If you predict the market very well, just open the market, open long and open short. When I say open long, it means that the price of crypto, the price of BTC and other crypto against USDT will keep increasing. While you say open short, the price of that token will keep falling. So this is just what I'm here to show you guys about today's video about SuperEx. If you enjoyed this tip and you cannot subscribe to this channel, guys, do subscribe so that when I drop another important update on SuperEx, you have access to them as soon as possible.